If you are in Nigeria in diaspora and you have not watched this video, you need to watch this video, because this video was posted 2 weeks ago and we currently have over 55,000 people that watched this video and over 470 comments. I'll be checking the comment section to see the reaction of people on this video. This video went viral, and this video actually target Nigerians in diaspora. And you, even though you're in Nigeria, but you believe that Nigeria will not be good again, you need to watch this video. Stay till the end of this video as I check on the comment section to read the comments that Nigerians in diaspora reacted to this particular video. My name is Dennis Isong from landproperty.ng. Don't skip any part of this video, because this video is quite interesting and you need to watch this video till the end. I'll be reading this comment from my laptop while I'm actually talking to you. The first one said, "I am proud of you, my brother. I can't love you enough." This is a typical Igbo man mentality. We are all known for our culture. I live in Canada. I am building my house in my hometown. I feel so good about it. Some people and few friends ask me why I was building in Nigeria. How many times do I go to Nigeria? Who's going to live in this massive house? I told them I am not retiring in Canada. I have dual citizenship, so it is better to build in Nigeria now if you have the capacity. And what it takes is, if you don't, you will regret it later when you get old. Okay, what he's saying here is, if you have the capacity to build in Nigeria now and you need to build it now, but if you don't do it now, you might regret it later when you get old. I am still in my youthful age. I will finish the house next year. I am making sure that the house have everything I enjoy abroad. You better start building now to avoid a die known. This is Uzo 1926. So this is the first comment I'm reacting to in this particular video. This guy Uzo is actually a typical Nigerian man, an able man who believes in his culture and is advising you who lives in abroad that you need to think of investing in Nigeria. And he lives in Canada. Funny enough, he has achieved his aim, which is dual citizenship. You know, most time people travel abroad, what they want to achieve is they want to have dual citizenship basically for their children. Nothing is wrong doing that, but you need to you don't forget the home. Ile is Ile, home is home. And that is what you need to think of doing. This is a reaction from Uzo. Uzo, good one. Thank you for your comment. If you have not watched that video, I would strongly recommend you watch that video. I will link the full video on this description. So make sure that you watch the particular video I'm reacting to. So let me go to the next comment. So the next comment is from Bibia, and he said, "Oh my God, it is unbelievable seeing a Black American living in Africa and talking about investing." Okay, living in Africa, talking about investing, and I'm being proud of it. Bro, I am sending a wood up for America. I think this Bibian lives in America, and this person who did the video I'm reacting to is actually a Black American who is living in Ekiti, and the person is not even living in a town, is living in a village and is enjoying it. The next one is from Sisi, from Sis and Miss. Say, "I can go to Abuja and get the bouginess." What is bouginess? Do you know what is bouginess? That got me. But seriously speaking, I pick a lot, and this is me regretting I built a house in Nigeria before I relocated. Okay, he has actually built a house in Nigeria. See, I have been pressured to sell it. Thank God for this video. This is a 5-bedroom duplex with a semi-detached 2 units of 2 bedroom in a secure estate. We quickly roofed it before relocating and stopped there. And guess what is this? What the street and where we built was actually named after me. When I'm retiring, I'm coming back home, and thanks, bro, for sharing. Okay,
she actually built a house, and she was under pressure to sell the house because it was relocated. But let me ask, why would you sell the house you've built in your town where there's no tax, which is still your own, and you want to relocate to abroad where the house that you want to, when you get there, you have to struggle. When you struggle and even get a house, that house is not even your house because it's under mortgage. But in Nigeria, we buy cash. This person is thanking us for sharing this video, because this actually reconfirmed that a house she built in Nigeria, which is, the street is even named after her, is actually a very good decision. Please, if you're in abroad, you need to build a house in Nigeria. For your retirement, you have to find a way to connect back to Nigeria. It's very, very important, and I would recommend you do that. This comment is from BestShape439. Say, bro, I was almost crying watching this video. This is a lesson from Africa, America, but more importantly, a lesson for Nigerians. Africans in diaspora. You can return and build. If you don't like Nigeria, go to Ghana, Zimbabwe, South Africa. Thank you and God bless. I think this guy, Best Sharp, I've just summarized everything. You can say Nigeria is full of this, is full of that. You don't like Nigeria? Go to other country, but come back to where you have peace. And note, people are complaining about insecurity, complaining about this and that. There are places in Nigeria that you don't, all those problems or all those news you see is not happening in those parts in Nigeria. For instance, Lagos is very, very secure. Insecurity, don't have insecurity in Lagos. Some parts in Lagos that is very, very peaceful. Some parts, apart from Lagos, Asaba, and other places, they are there. So even Abuja. So don't allow bloggers to pick the bad parts that is happening and make it look like if all parts of Nigeria is actually in chaos. No, it's not in chaos. So take notes. This is a comment from Cobra. Just name it. As you can see the comment there, you can see the name there. So this is exactly what I was talking about. The people that are not from Nigeria know the value of our country, named Nigeria. But we Nigerians don't even know the value of our country until other people from other country took our country from us. That is when we will start to fight with each other. It's going to be too late. Whoever that travel out to any Europe country, that is when you know the value of your country, because you will work till you die. People, please, we have to make Nigeria great. I never forget where I come from. I love Nigeria. God bless Nigeria. This person is actually pouring from his or her heart. From what I'm saying here, when you travel abroad, or for those of you who are in abroad, you will know that we in Nigeria, we are actually enjoying a lot. The freedom is there. It's not the month-to-month billing. So this person just pour, I don't know if it's a he or a she, but just pour the heart. And that is why, that is what I am saying. You need to see how you can start connecting back to Africa, to your roots. Don't be deceived. Don't be deceived by those artificial enjoyments or those enjoyments, because one day your bone will get weak. You have to retire back to Nigeria, because it is best to retire in Nigeria than to retire in abroad. Don't be deceived. You still have the strength now, but in Nigeria, it's the best. It's the best, I can tell you. This is a comment from Tony Easy. It's very encouraging. I'm sending it to all my nephews born in America to see and begin to have to rethink about America. Bring them back home to come and learn some basics, to come and learn some language, to come and learn the culture, to come and learn some basic things. It is very, very important. And bring them back so that your generation don't just vanish. They need to know where they come from. Because most of them, they only see what bloggers are sending online, which is the bad news. Not knowing that Nigeria is full of goodies. is full of goodies. There is hope for this country. To be frank with you, there is hope for Nigeria. Invest in this country. And also, if you're liking this video, if you have stayed to this point, that means that you're liking this video. You like this video. So kindly like this video. Kindly share this video with your friends. And I know they'll be glad that you actually share this information with them. And also, if you're looking at owning a property right here in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Asaba, or any other part in Oyo, feel free to contact the number on the screen. Let's help you achieve that. I will really want to work with you. We really want to work with you in achieving that your next dream. If you are trying to reconnect back to the country, you need somebody like us to guide you. If you are looking at investing in Nigeria, you need somebody like us to help you out. Contact us for a free consultation. We don't go to charge you. We're going to tell you where you can invest and where you should not invest. We're going to guide you properly. Let's make that happen for you. Contact us as we continue this, our reaction, your reaction from our video. Let's continue. This comment is from Kisa. The name is there. You see, this is real riches: land, food, and shelter. When you talk about real estate, or the basic of life is about land, is about food, is about shelter, and real estate cover everything. Just without real estate, there will not be land, there will not be food, there will not be shelter. Short, the most important need of every single person on earth, before I used to think is food, but that's not true. The most important need of every person on earth is shelter, and which is real estate. Because whether the person is mad, or the person is in prison, or will need shelter. So you get me? As far as you will sleep under a covering. Even though you sleep on the street, that shit is street. It's real estate. So the most important need of every single person. You can stay in days without eating, but you can't stay a day without needing shelter, because you need to lay your head somewhere, and that place to lay your head is shelter, and it's real estate. And even the food that you want to eat is from real estate. So real estate is a very good business, and a very good investment, a very good venture that you, especially you in diaspora, should think of investing. This is from Plus Uche. So this is one of the best video I have ever watched for this year. Our video is actually, he said this is one of his best video that he has watched for this year. If everybody who jackpot to Europe and America think this way, I tell you that Africa, especially Nigeria, will just take a leap, and boom, the ideal place to be is Nigeria. Nigeria is just a diamond in the rough. That is Rema. Yeah, he or she or Christian just made a very point. Say Nigeria is a diamond in a raw form. That is the sad truth. Nigeria is actually a diamond in raw form because of the potential we have. We have crude oil, we have brains, we have so many natural resources in this country. All I wish that our leader they're not greedy. Nigeria will be the best, because all these European countries, all these countries, they don't have what we have. That is why they tax. But Nigeria, we have so many things that we can take advantage of, and boom, become the best in the world. Christian, I think you actually nailed it on the head. So for this particular video, I will stop this one here. I will do another version of it. The reaction is much. I will do another version of this. So if you have stayed to this point, that shows that you love this video. Like this video. Tell me what you think. Your own. Tell me your own. What did you think about all this reaction? And put it below. And also, if you have not watched the original video, kindly check below. I will link the original video on the comment section, and also on the description, so that you can actually go and watch the original video, the video that caused this viral reaction. My name is Dennis Isong from landproperty.ng. What we do, we help Nigerians in diaspora to own property right here in Lagos, Nigeria, stress-free, and I will want to assist you in making that happen. So the number on the screen is our number. Call us. Our customer rep will pick your call and we'll be very glad to assist you in making that your best decision. The main video is the part 1. So this is the part 2, and you're going to have the part 3, and possibly the part 4. We're going to have reaction of this particular video because the very sensitive topic that I need to react to. Thank you so much for staying to this point. I appreciate you. My name is Dennis Isong.